Hi guys, Shane again. Lunchtime on a Monday, 11th of October. Okay, what BTT? Okay, had a quick look at this one. It's looking quite nice because it's got a very low price of what's it, 38, whatever that is. Okay, so if I look at the daily, all I can see is we had a nice parabolic move, a perfect A, B, C correction, which is made up of your A, your three wave B, and we've got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the C, and now we should have a breakout. Now, it didn't go as fast as you would hope, but I can still count 5 waves, so that's a good sign. And now I've got ABC down, and looks like it's turning up again. So as long as we stay above these last lows, what's that? 0 something 30. Okay, I have to zoom in on the 1 hour. As long as you stay above that, then we should be okay for a buy. If I look at, just by the way, on a daily chart, why I'm so interested is if I click where I've got now, if I buy it right now, and I put it below the low, it's a 20% stop loss with a 270% take profit if we got out at the last high, which I probably would, because then it will bounce back down a bit and then look for the new pattern to get in again. So yeah, looking quite nice. So if I go to the 4 hour, from what I've shown on the charts, okay, so I've got my 5 up, it's all there. Let me just show you this. So I've got the 1, I've got the sideways 2, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 internal waves for my wave 3. It has met the 161 extension just about, so maybe just shy, but it's enough for wave 3. So it's confirmed A, B, C for 4. Okay, so now, and inside here we've got internal 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little waves up for wave 5. So that, in my mind, looks like it's completed the first wave 5, or the first wave 1, if you like. So if this is the wave 1 of the major move, and this is the wave 2 down here, it's going to be a massive move after this one. So that's why I'm very keen on this one at the moment. If I draw my channels, there's 1, 2, 3 moved up to there. There's my wave 4. And right now, it's still in the channel, perfect position for wave 4 to finish at the 38%. And we should hopefully push up from here. So yeah, I'm getting in right now. I want to see what happens. I got to stop down here somewhere. And then let me see. If I go to 1 hour, in the 1 hour, okay, more details. Like I said, this is a very sideways up 5 waves, but it's not as strong. So I'm hoping once we finish this first wave 5 up, we get our, sorry, I have to go back to 4 hour. The screen I'm recording on is not as big as my trading screen. So my move would be this ideally. So we should have, after this one, break this high up to about 46, 47 area, 47-ish, 48. Once I've counted that, and then we should have a nice gradual 3 waves break to very similar to where we are now at this level, okay, at the 38, 37. And from there, we should see the big push up. All right, so an elite wave count, that should be wave 1. That'll be my wave 2. And wave 3 is the wave you always want to be in. Wave 3 is the biggest, strongest, most profitable wave. So I've got it prematurely now, but hoping for this to push up. Even if it push down here again, it doesn't matter as long as we keep going like that. Now, while we stay above that, that's all good. Now, what's this? Top of wave 1. If we can stay above that, now what is it? Value. It is 0036. As long as we stay above 36 at the moment, then my wave 4 is in, and we should push to wave 5. So actually, this is too low to get in. I should actually get in a little bit higher for those who are not in yet. So this should be up here. Okay, so yeah, so I'm getting in now. Let's see what happens. Good luck for those who are trading it. Not financial advice as usual. Please like the video if you like the content, and I'll try and make some more. Thanks, guys. Cheers.